When you come home after work, it's always a good idea to clean your keyboard every day. I'm a professional translator and I'm going to show you how to do that. So for that we will need this glass cleaner. Take it from your wife or your mother, it's best. I tried a lot of products over the years as a translator because I like clean keyboards, and no product is strong enough to really clean the keyboard. And these glass cleaners are professional products. So let's open it up. So what we are going to do is to do this, not over the keyboard but on the paper towel. And now that it's wet, just do this. Now some more, if you like it really good. And this is really safe for your keyboard, and your keyboard will dry and it will look and feel perfect.